What's up everyone, in this tutorial we'll be showing you how to change ESPN Fantasy League settings. And right here on our ESPN, after we've logged in, we're going to go over to Fantasy at the top right corner and click on it. The next thing you're going to do is to select your team. We're going to select Epic Riders, and then at the top of this page you will have different tabs. We're interested in League. When we hover over it, we can see Settings. We're going to click on it. Under Summary, you have Basic Settings, Draft Settings, and Roster. And then under Basic Settings, you have League Name, Number of Teams, Scoring Type, and Format. You could also decide to make this league viewable to the public. In order to change any of this, you need to click on Edit. When you click on Edit, you will have these options ready for you. For example, if we want to change the league name, all we need to do is to come over to the text area, select what we want, and make a change. If you want to make a number of teams increase or decrease, you could do this by using the drop-down menu. And if you want to make your league viewable to the public, all you need to do is to click on the drop-down menu and then change it to yes. Other settings such as scoring type can be handled also, and then when these changes have been applied, the Save Changes button will be active. You can go over to Draft, Rosters, and you could also see your scoring and team divisions and make any changes according to your preference. So all these changes are at the tip of your hand and you can make them according to your preference. Let us know if this was helpful and thanks for watching.